SpaceX launches 28 Starlink satellites, lands rocket at sea, August 4th, 2023. Imagine a world where the night sky is a dazzling, star-studded canvas, but also a crowded highway for thousands of satellites. That's the reality we're stepping into, thanks to SpaceX's latest Starlink mission. On August 4th, SpaceX launched another 28 satellites into orbit from the sunny shores of Florida. A Falcon 9 rocket, the workhorse of SpaceX's fleet, lifted off from the historic Cape Canaveral Space Force Station at 3:57 a.m. Eastern Time. This was the 96th Falcon 9 launch of the year alone, a staggering testament to the company's relentless drive towards the stars. But here's where it gets controversial. This was the 21st flight for this particular booster, known as B-1080, with 15 of those missions being Starlink launches. The booster successfully returned to Earth, landing on SpaceX's drone ship, just read the instructions, in the Atlantic Ocean. This reusable rocket technology is a game changer, but it also raises questions about space debris and the long-term impact on our cosmic neighborhood. Meanwhile, the upper stage of the Falcon 9 continued on its mission, placing the 28 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit. They'll soon join the existing mega constellation, which already boasts over 8,000 operational satellites. That's the largest satellite assemblage ever built, and it's growing at an unprecedented pace. And this is the part most people miss. As we marvel at the technological marvels of space exploration, we must also consider the ethical implications. What does it mean for our night skies, for astronomers, for the future of space travel? Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Are you excited about the possibilities of Starlink, or do you worry about the increasing clutter in our skies? Let's discuss in the comments. This bold mission by SpaceX is just the beginning. As we venture further into the era of space exploration, we're faced with both incredible opportunities and complex challenges. Let's explore this topic together and keep the conversation going. SpaceX achieves 450th Falcon booster launch, Starlink 1030 mission recap. Imagine a world where rockets are as reusable as airplanes. SpaceX is making that vision a reality, and they just hit a major milestone. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that this rapid launch cadence is unsustainable for the environment, while others champion it as the key to unlocking space exploration. On August 4th at 4:30 a.m. EDT, SpaceX successfully landed its Falcon 9 first-stage booster on the drone ship Just Read the Instructions. This wasn't just another landing. It marked a pivotal moment in spaceflight history. SpaceX achieved its 450th launch of a flight-proven Falcon booster with the Starlink 1030 mission, launched from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. This impressive number encompasses both Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, showcasing the company's commitment to reusability. And this is the part most people miss. Reusability dramatically reduces the cost of space access, opening doors for more ambitious projects and scientific discoveries. Let's rewind a bit. SpaceX first demonstrated the power of booster reuse on March 30th, 2017, with the launch of the SES-10 satellite. They used booster B-1021, which had previously flown on April 8, 2016, for a commercial resupply services mission to the International Space Station. This groundbreaking achievement proved that rockets weren't just disposable tools, but valuable assets that could be flown again and again. The Starlink 1030 mission itself utilized booster B-1080, a true veteran of spaceflight. This launch was its 21st flight. Its impressive resume includes supporting Axiom Space's second and third private astronaut missions, deploying the European Space Agency's Euclid Observatory, and delivering 14 separate batches of Starlink satellites into orbit. That's a lot of frequent flyer miles. The launch took place from Pad 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station at 3:57 a.m. EDT, 07:57 UTC, on Monday, August 4th. The 45th Weather Squadron predicted an 85% chance of favorable weather conditions. However, there was a slight risk of cumulus or anvil clouds potentially disrupting the launch. In fact, the weather almost played spoiler. According to launch weather officers, a stalled low-pressure system and associated front were causing isolated thunderstorms and showers. These storms persisted for much of the launch window, but thankfully, the skies cleared just enough for SpaceX to proceed. It was a close call, highlighting the unpredictable nature of spaceflight. Approximately 8.5 minutes after liftoff, B-1080 successfully landed on the drone ship. Just read the instructions. This marked the 131st landing on this particular vessel and the 485th booster landing overall for SpaceX. These numbers are a testament to the company's expertise in precision landing and autonomous operations. This overnight launch was SpaceX's 69th Starlink launch of the year. By 2025, SpaceX has already launched over 1,650 Starlink satellites. This rapid deployment is aimed at providing global internet access, but it also raises concerns about light pollution and the potential impact on astronomical observations. Is the benefit of global internet worth the potential cost to our view of the night sky? This is a question that deserves serious consideration. So, what do you think about SpaceX's rapid launch cadence and focus on reusability? Is it a sustainable path forward for space exploration, or are there hidden costs we need to address? Share your thoughts in the comments below.